What up, people? Today, this is Chef Nolan's. I'm not your boy today. This is Chef Nolan's. Because today, I'm going to teach you how to write an equation from a word problem. It's amazing. So, we are now going into Unit 9, how to write equations from word problems. So, today, I got to give you some key ingredients, and this will make an amazing equation. And at the end, I'm going to show you how to solve it. It's going to be so amazing. So once again, please don't call me your boy, Mr. Noland. Today, I am Chef Noland. Alright, so when you are writing an equation from a word problem, you need these ingredients in this order. You need a variable. Remember, a variable is a letter that will represent a number. The next thing you're going to need is a math symbol. There are four main math symbols. You have your addition. You have your subtraction. You have your multiplication. And you have your division. The next thing you're going to have is just a number, a constant. And the last two ingredients is you'll have an equal sign. And then finally you're going to have a total, again, which is a number. So these are the ingredients we need in order to make the most amazing equation from a word problem. Alright, I'll give y'all a second to copy this down if y'all need to. Alright, now some students, I know I did this with y'all yesterday. I'm going to do a couple of examples so the parents can see online how we do it. So I'm going to start right here with number 4. But how do I know how to decipher my numbers and what math symbol to use? Well, I'm going to show you that. And I'm going to make another video today on vocabulary words that mean to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. Okay, so looking at number 4. From the first quiz to the second quiz, a score dropped 8 points. The score on the second quiz was a 39. What was the first quiz score? Let F represent the first quiz score. So again, I'm going to start by writing out my ingredients. I need a variable. I need a math symbol. Remember the math symbol, it's either add, subtract, multiply, or divide. You need a number. And then it is equal to a total. Oh, well, look at this. It gives me what my variable is. We're solving for F. F represents the first quiz score. So we already know what F is going to represent. So now let's look for my math symbol. From the first quiz to the second quiz, a score. Ooh, there's my key vocabulary word that tells me what math operation I'm going to do. It says I'm dropping. If you're dropping, that means you are taking away. You are subtracting. So there's our math symbol. How much are we subtracting? We're subtracting 8 points. There's my number. The equal sign, bring it down. How much did we have at the end? Well, the second score was a 39. There's your total. Bam! Look how easy that was. Little Emeril Lagasse right there. Put all the ingredients together and go bam! We just now got ourselves an equation. And you know what good chefs do? They taste their food to make sure it's good, right? Well, we're sort of going to do that. I'm going to show you how to solve it. Okay? So on your test coming up in a couple weeks, you're going to have to write an equation just like this. Some of y'all are going to say, well, Mr. Noland, oh, I'm sorry, not Mr. Noland, Chef Noland. Can't you do this? Can't you do 39 plus 8 and get F? Well, no, you can't, because that's not an equation. That's solving. That's math work for solving it. Notice, I can't have the variable all by itself. The variable has to be with a math symbol and a number. Here, the variable's all by itself. That does not work. Cannot do it. Okay? Alright, so once again, only way you can write an equation here. Alright, now here's how you solve it. You see your math symbol that you have right here? Do the opposite operation. So what's the opposite of subtracting 8? Well, let's add 8. Now what you do to one side of the equal sign, you're going to have to do to the other side of the equal sign. It's called balancing out. It's like a teeter-totter. Y'all remember what a teeter-totter is? Two people sit on it, goes up, down, woo! That's what we're doing here. What you do to one side, you have to do to the other. The 8 minus 8, that zeroes out. It goes away. It's no longer there. What does that leave me with? It leaves me with my variable f. The equal sign comes down. What's 39 plus 8? Well, that's 47. Bam, you just solved it. F is equal to 47. But a step further, what does F represent? F represents the first quiz score. So on the first quiz, they made a 47. Their second score dropped 8 points. Now they made a 39. It works. Oh my God, this is amazing. This tastes amazing, doesn't it? Having too much fun here. Alright, so there's my answer. Bam. Let's see if we can do a couple more. How's that? Let's look at number 10. The temperature rose 15 degrees to 7 degrees Fahrenheit. What was the original temperature? Let T represent the original temperature. Well, once again, my ingredients is I need a variable. I need a math symbol. Oh, be nice if I can spell. Then I need a number. Then I need my equal sign. And then my total amount. Start with your variable. Oh, it's right here. T. T represents the original temperature. Now let's go find my math symbol. The temperature rose. If you rose, that means you're going up. That means you are adding. So there's my math symbol. How much did it rise? It rose 15 degrees. So there's my number. And that was equal to how much? 7 degrees. Bam. Look at that. Just made the equation. Took you all of 30 seconds to make this. A nice easy meal right here. Now I want to go solve it, right? Do the opposite operation of the math symbol you see here. What's the opposite of adding 15? Subtracting 15. Very good. Again, what you do to one side of the equal sign, you must do to the other side. The 15 minus 15 zeroes out. It's gone. Bam. Gone. My variable T comes straight down. I never touched it. The equal sign, I never touched it. Bring it down. Now, we need to go back to the first or second 6 weeks of the school year. Our rules for adding and subtracting integers. What do you have more of here? Positives or negatives? Well, you got more negatives here. So your answer is negative. And since the signs are different, you subtract the numbers. 15 minus 7. 8. So T, the original temperature, is equal to negative 8 degrees Fahrenheit. Bam! This is amazing. We are cooking our own food, our own equation, and solving it too. It's so amazing. Let's see if we can maybe do one or two more. Let's see if I can find a nice good one. I'm going to flip to the back side here. No, I'm not. I'm going to go to number 3 now. El Rodeo School has 837 students. El Rodeo has 78 more students than Hawthorne. How many students are there at Hawthorne School? Let H represent the number of students at Hawthorne. So again, variable. Then we have math symbol. Then we have our number. Equals total. Alright. Well, guess what? We need our variable first. We have it right here. H. H represents Hawthorne. Now we need our math symbol. El Rodeo has 837 students. El Rodeo has 78. More. Here's our keyword, more. If you have more, that means you have to add. Well, we have to add 78 students. And that's going to give me a total of 837. Bam! Wrote my equation. Now let's go solve it. Opposite operation of the math symbol you see here. What's the opposite of adding 78? Subtract it. Again, what you do to one side of the equal sign, do to the other side. 78 minus 78 zeros out. It is gone. You're left with H equals 837 minus 78. Anybody? I don't know it on top of my head, so I'm actually going to show the work here. 837 minus 78. Well, that can't come down, so this becomes a 17. This becomes a 2, which will become a 12. This is a 7. So 7, 5, 759. So Hawthorne, H for Hawthorne, has 759 students. Man, aren't I good, guys? Woo! Everybody, a little Ric Flair with me now. A little Ric Flair from wrestling. Woo! Now, since I'm chef, everybody with me. A little Emeril Lagasse from the Food Network. Bam! One more time. Bam! Woo! Alright, guys. That is how you write an equation from a word problem. I hope you have some fun with this video, and I really hope you learn something from this video. Guys, this unit is not going to be that easy unless you get used to it. The easiest way is to write it down like I'm telling you with your ingredients. Variable, math symbol, number, equals, total. Look how easy it was to set it up. And set it up in the correct way. Just follow this operation the way I have it. It's so easy. Alright guys, y'all have a great day. Talk to y'all later. Nolan out.